Okay, when you have a crack that runs down your garage and into your driveway, you have to get some help. So we had a crack that was really, really displaced, and we had to call a company to come and fill up the underside with some foam. And also in our garage, they said it was hollow underneath this crack, about 6 feet on each side, so they had to spray some foam in there to give it support. So now we're filling up these big old cracks. Some of them are smaller, some of them are quite big. So Daddy Burns is going to tell us how he's doing it. What you doing there?
So we're taking some of this backer rope, shoving it in these cracks.
Yeah.
I got my best helper here, Tyler. He's doing an awesome job. And so we're shoving it down in there, and then we're going to have filler that'll sit right on top of that. And all that's going to do is just kind of close in the cracks so water
Look how good I did.
doesn't continue to get down in there and freeze it. So,
And you bought that at Lowe's.
got
What you
this
have
at
there.
Lowe's. Yeah, this is 3/8 inch for this size crack. And then we're just going to go right over top of it with the sealer.
We
tried
tried-
the sealer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not
and
working.
the cracks are too deep, so
Yeah.
that's
Just
our fault.
just fell in. So this is the concrete crack filler. We actually got this at Home Depot. It's about what, 10, 11 bucks a bottle?
Yeah.
We're using, this is our third bottle. And you can see that we tried to do it without this filler that Ashley's doing, and it all fell in, and we realized, oh Lord, we can't use that much crack filler. So now the boys have been out here poking this in.
I'm doing a good job.
Like
Doing a really good job. Done all
And
this,
the cracks,
done
and then we're
this.
coming over
I don't
top.
want the bugs to get in my way.
Don't worry about them bugs. Keep filling in. This is the last little bit we got, man. And then we can do the filler and we'll be done.
Yep, and then
I want to do this.
that's part is done.
Oh, gonna do some.
There's different kinds of crack filler. Some of it is very, very white, and we didn't think that it would match really well. So hopefully when it's dry, like this part is a little dry, it's not as easy to see. So hopefully it's gonna work out. This is the latest adventure we've had, filling of cracks.